If you can't sign into your ProofHub account, don't worry. Login problems are usually caused by incorrect credentials, browser issues, or account-related settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ProofHub login issues step by step in 2026. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or an enabled caps lock key before trying again. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password, then try signing in again. ProofHub workspaces often have their own unique web address. Make sure you're signing in to the correct workspace URL provided by your organization. If the login page isn't loading properly, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies if the problem continues. If you're still having trouble, try signing in using another web browser or a different device. This can help determine whether the issue is related to your current browser. A slow or unstable internet connection can also prevent successful sign-ins. Make sure your connection is stable, then reload the login page and try again. If you recently received an invitation to a ProofHub workspace, make sure you've accepted the invitation and verified your email address. Also, check with your workspace administrator if your access has been removed or changed. If none of these solutions work, contact the ProofHub support team or your workspace administrator. They can help verify your account, reset your access, or identify any account-specific issues. And that's how to fix ProofHub login issues. Yeah, in most cases, checking your credentials, workspace address, and browser settings will get you back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.